In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I save a Google Slides presentation. Let's start by opening Google Slides in your web browser. This takes you to the main workspace where you can work right from your computer without installing anything. Once you're in, you're ready to create and start building your presentation. Create your own slide or presentation by opening a new file. You can choose a blank presentation if you want full control over the layout, or pick a template to get a head start on design. Either way, you'll land in the editor with a title slide ready to go and the familiar toolbar and menus along the top. Next, add a slide and start putting your presentation together. Use the controls to insert new slides as you need them, and choose layouts that match your content, like title and body, 2 columns or a section header. Type your title, add your talking points in the text boxes, and drop in images or shapes to support your message. As you go, keep each slide focused on one idea to make it easier for your audience to follow. Now edit your slide to polish the look and feel. Adjust fonts and sizes for readability, align items so everything looks clean, and use consistent colors to tie your story together. You can apply a theme for a cohesive design, tweak spacing so text isn't crowded, and rearrange elements until the slide feels balanced. Little refinements like bolding a keyword or swapping a busy background for a simple one make a big difference in clarity. Here's the best part about saving in Google Slides. You don't have to do anything. Your work is automatically saved to your Google Drive as you type. Look toward the top of the screen and you'll see a small status that changes from saving to all changes saved in Drive. That message is your confirmation that every edit, addition, or deletion is being preserved in real time. There's no save button to remember, and you won't lose progress if you step away. If your internet connection blips, Slides continues to protect your work and syncs updates when it can. Because everything lives in your Drive, your presentation stays up to date across your devices the next time you open it. And that's it. Open Google Slides, create your presentation, add your slides and content, refine your edits, and let the automatic saving take care of the rest. With autosave, you can focus on your ideas, not on whether you remembered to click save.